Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. So remember this hair I made from this video? Well, I'm going to be turning that from this into this. So jumping right in, you're going to be needing some developer. I'm using the 40 volume 12% developer from Frisia. Next, you're going to be needing some bleaching powder. This is the Frisia Blondie hair lightener. Next, you're going to be needing a bowl, some gloves, and a wide tooth comb. So I initially wanted to do the watercolor method, and what this simply means is mixing the bleach and the developer with hot water and submerging the hair in it and leaving it to soak for a while. But for some reason I was actually in a rush to do this, and so I forgot to use the hot water method. But luckily for me, I had enough products and the mixture I had was very okay for what I wanted. Now you want your consistency to be a bit runny, like you can see in the video. Make sure it is not so thick so that the product can soak into the hair and do the trick. Now next step I'm doing is basically just soaking the hair and applying the mixture to the wig. Now you want to make sure that every inch of the hair is coated with the bleach mixture so that you have like a consistent color once you're done. And also take note that this is a coily hair, so you should also make sure that once you're done coating every part, you need to scrunch it up so the hair doesn't lose its coil. So now I wanted the roots of my closure to still maintain the dark roots, and as you can see I am not applying the bleach mixture to the roots of my closure. So at this point the wig is fully coated with the bleach mixture. Now all I have to do is let the mixture do its job and bleach the hair. My skin came in contact with the bleach mixture and it burnt my skin, so make sure your hands are fully protected, okay? So when it's time to wash the hair, I'm going to be using the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff shampoo. I'm supposed to use the purple shampoo, but this was what I had at hand then. And next up I'll be using the Mega Growth Deep Condition. Now once you feel like your hair has lost its coils, all you have to do is deep condition the hair and leave it for a day or two and your coils will bounce back. So this is what my hair is looking like after deep conditioning it. I washed it out and I applied a little bit of leave-in conditioner and I sprayed some water in it, and it is looking good. So here guys, that is it for this video. It was a pretty quick one and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you learned something from this video, do let me know, and if you have like any suggestion or a better method or you've tried this method out, let me know, okay? Now make sure to like this video, okay guys? Please help my ministry, okay? Please like this video, okay guys, and also click the subscribe button, share the video, drop your comments down please, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye guys.